Okay, guys, so getting into this section, we're starting on 1320. What I'd like you guys to do is go ahead and do line 1324. So do sudo pip installer.
Okay.
1324. Okay, got it. Downloading.
Okay. Okay, so in my case, it's already satisfied.
All right.
All right, so we got that going. Do you guys have, let's see if you can CD to 1327, and let's see if that works for you.
Okay.
I just want to make sure that this is the virtual machine that has this folder.
Okay.
Yeah, it works.
Okay. Okay, so what I'd like for you to do is go ahead and do 1329, and let's just run the setup. Okay. Is this looking like this for you guys?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go
Yes.
ahead and say yeah.
Yeah, baby. Dude, look at all those packages there.
Oh yeah.
All the good stuff in it.
You always want to have this like when your boss walks by, right? So you can make it look like you're doing so much. Okay.
It's just reading the database. Mine is at 80%.
Okay.
Yes, Jones, Stalin.
Alright, never seen it fail on wine before. Okay. Now you should have a point where it prompts for the path to Metasploit.
Mm-hmm.
And that's when you just want to give it this.
Okay.
Didn't ask for it yet. Downloading Python setup files.
Yep.
Yep, that's what I'm at. It says, please enter the path of your Metasploit installation.
Right, that's exactly what I was talking about.
Okay. So just copy and paste that.
Right, you're going to put in 1330. Just this right here.
And setup. Yep.
Ah, alright, you're asking for the path.
Huh?
Alright, I think it's done. Tools, whale, innovation, setup. Okay. I'm at this prompt.
Great. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do line 1332 and 1334.
Alright, please enter a command.
Okay. So did it come up looking like my screen?
Yes. Mine, yes. The only difference is that you have 49 payloads loaded. I have 39.
Okay.
Yeah, 39.
Alright, so now what I want you guys to do is go ahead and right here on menu, type update.
Okay. Updating. Oh, by the way, Joe, actually, I'm doing it in terminal window. I'm not connected via PuTTY. Are we gonna duplicate sessions later, or it's fine?
I think you'll be okay for right now.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I understand the concern, but you'll be okay for right now.
Because I guess I cannot duplicate sessions the same way, just using terminal, right?
No, actually you can.
I can?
Yeah, so inside of
Inside of Ubuntu.
right, and you're on a terminal, then you can just say that you want to open a new tab. And now you can toggle back and forth between the tabs here.
Oh, okay.
So if I want
I'm using it from inside for Windows. From Windows. I'm using PuTTY from Windows.
Yeah. Well, PuTTY for Windows, you can't do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, PuTTY for Windows, you have to do a duplicate session.
Still updating.
Yeah. Taking a while.
Yep.
Mine says Bell updated. Press any key to continue.
Hopefully I'm soon.
So I press any key to continue?
Yeah, for right now.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, it says updated 2.15.3.
Okay, so I'm right here with you. I'm just waiting for mine to finish updating. Okay, well this is a little weird here. Oh no, is it updating? Well, I'm sorry, all you guys, your stuff has worked. And I don't want to cancel it, I don't want to corrupt it.
Right.
But it's working okay for you guys, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
It's still 39
Yep.
payloads though.
Mm.
Okay, well, let's have you do this. Let's go ahead, let's have you do a clean.
Type clean.
Okay. In the bail menu.
Clean. Okay. You want to clean payloads folders?
Yep. So what you would be doing is, as you make payloads for Metasploit, it's going to put them in a payloads folder. And every time I restart Veil, I like to do a clean on the folders. That way I get all that stuff out of there. Okay, so do a clean, say yes.
And then list.
Yeah, and then list. And now when you do a list, it's going to give you a bunch of payloads. So, like, can you see that I had stuff in there?
Right.
Okay, so he's cleaning up all that. Okay. Alright, now let's go ahead and let's do a list, and then here's my payloads. Okay. Now for any of these payloads, you can do an info on. So let's see. Mine says info 5, but it looks like 5 is. When you did your payload, yeah?
Joe, it's interesting. Your version is 2.22.2. I think we have 2.15.3, even though we updated.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
But that's what I was just about to ask you. So I think my payload number is going to be different. So do you have C interpreter rev HTTP?
Yes. It's number 3 though.
Okay, it's 3 for you?
Yep.
Okay, but it's a C-based payload. It's interpreter and it's a reverse HTTP?
Yes.
Okay. So let's use that one. So I'm going to say info. In my case, it's info 4. You said yours is 3, right?
Mine is 3.
Okay. So
Yep.
why don't you go ahead and do that. And I'm going to do info 4. You do info 3. This. So do you see how like you can learn about the payload? He's going to tell you, okay, it's a pure Windows payload, it's an interpreter, it's a reverse HTTP, it's got the stager with no shellcode injected, it compiles to an exe, you specify the L host and the L port. Let's go back to menu. On that same screen, just type list.
Oh, I'm sorry. What do we type in the? I'm sorry.
Are you on this screen?
Yeah, I'm still on that screen. I'm sorry. I'm not and on 3. Yeah.
Yeah, type list.
Okay, list. Okay, got it. Okay, and to exit this.
Okay. This isn't the one I used last time. I used a C payload, rev TCP. Okay. I want you guys to find this one. Okay, so in my case, it's going to be 6.
Okay, reverse TCP. Okay, yep, mine is 5.
Okay.
Number 5. Yep.
Okay, so yeah, you guys can follow the menu then. You guys can follow the paste bin. You see how you can follow the paste bin?
Yep.
Okay. So for me, that new number is 6. So I'll say info 6. This is what I wanted. Okay. In your case, it's info 5. So C interpreter rev TCP. Okay. All right. So
Okay.
this payload is written in C.
Mm-hmm.
All right. It's rated as excellent. This is good. Okay. Pure Windows interpreter reverse TCP stager. This is good. It's going to compile to an exe. No shell code. You're going to notice that this is something that's pretty big deal, right? Because shellcode injection is one of the triggers for a lot of exploit detection systems, right?
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of IDS, a lot of malware looks for the injection of shellcode. And we're gonna spend time on shellcode a little later, but know that's important.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna use compile to exe.
Mm-hmm.
Now you see here where it says lhost. We're going to need to set this stuff up. So the way we set it up is we just say use 5. In your case, it's 5. For me, it's 6. Okay? So you notice how it's kind of like Metasploit. You know, you set this, you use this, you know?
Right, right.
Yeah,
Now I do not have what you see on the screen, the on the prompt.
You said use 5?
Use 5, yeah.
Okay. And your screen doesn't look like mine?
No, it does not. Actually, you know what it does? Okay, but I don't have the C meter ref TCP and I don't have that prompt. I do. Okay, no, I do have it. Yes.
Okay.
I was just confused with the prompt on the bottom.
Yeah. So do you see here, like compile to exe is already set to yes. All we need right now is what?
The localhost.
Yeah. So, and now he's telling you that here's your available commands. We've already used info, right? Options is already displaying. This is the options. Generate will be when you're ready to generate it, but you have to populate your values first. So we want to set lhost, right? So let's set the lhost to the IP address of your Linux machine. I like to be able to just look right in PuTTY.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Just wanna check it to see if IF config.
Right, but I mean, instead of even doing an ifconfig, usually the top of PuTTY has the IP.
Oh. No, I do it. I didn't do it by IP. I did it by host name.
Oh, okay.
So I guess I got to go back to my machine here. Address, yeah, the address. Okay, 1 second. Because I got different IP now. Okay. All right. Lhost, and then click enter.
Yep.
I did not see the I. Lhost, I don't have that. It's just, it did took it.
Yeah, this is just one of the new little updates to the newer version.
Yeah, I don't see it either. I guess I did it, but I don't see the confirmation.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Just type options.
Options. Nothing happened.
Yeah, but if you type options, you should now see it's populated.
Not yet.
No, I know. I don't see it like it. Nothing happened.
If you type options, nothing happened?
Mm-mm.
No.
No. Are we in the correct prompt though? I don't know. It's weird.
Do info 5.
Info 5. Okay, now.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see it. It says I'll host on my IP. Yep.
Now it's populated.
And the L host is populated? Okay, good. Okay, so now what we want to do is just say generate. So right in here, generate. Okay. Does it ask you to enter a base name for your output files?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just going to enter payload.
Okay, press any key to return to the main menu.
Okay. Well, I want you to look at this info, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you see that it's written in C. And if you noticed with this, it can do your payloads in C and C Sharp and Python, right? It can write your payloads in a lot of different language. This one's a C interpreter reverse TCP. It's going to compile to an executable file. It's got the L host set and it's got the L port set. Then you see here where he's saying, hey, here's your actual payload file. So this is the payload file that was used to generate your payload.
Mm-hmm.
That's the actual payload. That's
Wow.
it. And if you can see it, it's all written in C. So now, here's your, I probably shouldn't have closed that. Now, here's your RC file. Here's your RC file. Do you see how it's just set up for Metasploit?
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to do a MSF console -R and point it to this RC file. Then the handler and everything will be all ready to set up, see?
Mm-hmm.
So I press enter. Okay. So now that I've done that, I'm going to exit. So I press enter and now I exit. Now we're out of it completely, right? Okay, what I want you guys to do is I want you to look in your other windows. Like in my case, in my other window, I've still got Metasploit going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit out of Metasploit. I want to make sure that I don't have Metasploit running anywhere.
Okay.
I don't have any Windows. I booted up my VM, so.
Yeah, I have Metasploit running. Hang on.
Yeah, so we want to make sure we turn it off.
Just how do you just exit?
Yeah, just exit.
Okay.
Okay, so now that we've exited out of it, Make sure that I do this right. Just take a quick list and make sure that's the right file name. Yeah, it's called payload.exe. And it's going to be payload_handler.exe. Okay, so this file is going to be the word payload.exe, 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 payload.exe. And that's just because we called it payload. Whatever you called it is what it was going to be. Make sure this works. Okay.
So we are exiting the validation.
Yep.
Okay. So.
All right. So now what I want you guys to do is, can you run 1358?
All right. So I guess we refresh our placement. Okay.
Yeah, refresh the payload just because the file's called payload. I didn't call it test.
Okay. 1358. Got it. Okay.
Okay, did that work?
It says no such file or directory. Do I need to be what in the root or what of?
No. No.
No such file. Yeah. Yeah, to work for me as well. For some reason.
Here you go. I want you guys to try this. Give me a quick question so I can give you the syntax to type.
Or to verify if that file is there?
Yeah, so just give me a question here in the GoToWebinar. Like, type a question. Just type question mark. There you go. Perfect. Okay, so you want to ls this directory, like this.
Okay.
Okay, what's in there?
I like this directory here. I'll just copy and paste it right now.
Yep.
No such file or directory. Now, I'm in tool validation. That's what I'm at.
Yeah, but when it gave you your info, it must have stored it somewhere differently. It should have put it in user share veil output.
All right, let me see what is. Let me do ls. Okay, I have setup tools. Oh, that's right. When we output initially, right?
Yeah, that's okay. Go ahead and rerun 13. Go ahead and rerun 1334.
1334. Okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
1334. Got it.
Okay. In the same prompt.
You need to be in the bail directory, so run 1332 and 1334.
Now I have the main menu on bail evasion.
Okay, you got the main menu on bail, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we'll do it real fast. So for you guys, do info 5. For me, it's info 6.
Info 5. Okay.
Okay. Use
Well,
5.
now
For me, it's
reverse HTTP servers. I think something has changed. It's not 5 anymore for me.
okay. It's not 5 for you anymore.
It says version 224. I think it got updated.
Yeah, you did get an update. You were 2.22, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you were 2.15.
Now it's 224.
I had the same, but I was able to get to that menu.
Okay. All right, no problem. So do a info 6.
Yeah, it seems like it's 6 now, yeah.
Yeah, do
See.
info 6.
Reverse TCP, yeah, okay.
All right.
And by the way, my L4 is 8080.
Yeah. So do a info 6 instead of info 5.
Okay, info 6. Yeah, it's still 8080.
Is it C interpreter rev TCP?
Oh no, I have service.
Yeah.
Okay. I think probably when I select it. So how can I go back?
Just do a info space 6.
Info space 6. Oh. Okay, I'm in 6. Let me do 5. I think it's 5 still.
Okay, it's still 5 for you.
Yeah. You know what? No, I'm in that prompt. The required options.
Okay.
Can I
But
go
is
back
it the
to?
correct payload?
Yeah. So do I have to do a list?
No, not yet. Just is it the correct payload?
No, it shows the payload number is interpreted as RAD HTTP service. But when I type info 6, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't do anything. Just go away.
Oh, do back.
Go back. Okay.
Then do list. Then do info 6.
Okay. Now in the right. Yeah. Now it's 444.
Okay, so now we'll set L port. I'm sorry, L host. Right, your IP address 1 and 2.
Okay. Great.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Not info 6, use 6. Now that you got the correct one, you want to use it.
Mm-hmm.
Then I want to set the L host.
Okay. So should we do set host?
Use 6. Or whatever the number is.
Okay. Use. Okay. I think it was 6. Okay. No, I don't see the IP.
Okay.
What was it before? List.
Alright, so okay. Does it look like this now? When you info 6?
No, the IP is not there.
Yeah, okay, so now we have, alright, but you're on the correct payload, right?
Revert TCP, yes.
Okay. So now what you want to do is, you just did info 6. Have you done use 6 yet?
No, maybe that.
So go ahead and do a use 6.
Okay. And the next menu is, okay, set host now? Okay.
Yeah, now
Set,
you want to
okay.
set the L host.
L host. Okay, that was typed correctly. All right, here we go. The IP. Enter. Now, okay, now I see it. Okay. So now do what? List after that to see it?
Okay. So now, at this point, we should be able to just generate.
And just type in generate?
Yep.
Okay, that's exactly, I'm at the same exact prompt.
Okay. So now, just go ahead and type payload.
Okay.
Payload. Okay. All right. So this is the stuff I want to check. Okay.
The payload so far has been generated. Don't get caught.
Yeah. Okay. Your payload file. Can you read where it is?
Yes. USR, share, validation, source, payload 1.
Payload 1.c. Yeah.
Okay. So that's why you're getting no such file. Because mine
Okay.
is in Veil output.
Okay. Mine is in validation.
Okay.
My own legend as well.
Okay. Can you paste that? Can you paste that into the?
The whole thing?
No, just where the. Paste the handler file.
Oh, okay. It's just the handler. Okay.
Yeah, paste that into the question for me so I can see it.
Oops. Right there.
Got it.
And
Okay. So since you've already created one, I'm going to get rid of that one. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this. And then there's you guys' commands.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll do the same thing here.
All right, so we refresh our pastebin.
No, I pasted the commands in the question answer thing for you.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay.
Okay, then I'm going to Shemad it.
Just copy and paste the whole thing, right?
Yeah, try to do them one line at a time.
Okay.
Shemad in the file. There you go. So basically,
Hey, can I access home strategic payload, no such file or directory?
I just used your file. I just used your syntax.
Could that be because you see the name of the file, payload 01? Yeah. Mine has payload 01. That's the name of the file.
Yours is 01?
Yeah, let me give you the the handle again.
Okay, it's 1 or 01?
1 after the you see? I just sent it via the chat.
All right.
So I just added 1 to it, right?
Yep.
Okay. Let me try it again. No such file or directory. Oh, okay, I know why. Okay, that's why. Is he looking for the exe because you have on the sudo mod 77 home strategic sec payload.exe, but is it a payload 1.c or
It should be the exe is what we want.
exe? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me copy it again.
Seems to be working for me. Starting the Metasploit framework console.
All right. Mine is not working.
Okay. So what's the file that you built? Yours is payload.c or payload1.c? What is it?
Okay, let me payload file payload1.c.
Okay. So then that means what it built is payload1.exe. C is the source code, then the compiled code will be the exe.
Okay, this is what I have on the payload file. Yeah, payload.c, that's what I have.
Yeah. Okay. So then this line should have worked, right?
Okay, let me take that line. Yeah, let me take that line. Okay, what is that line? 11538. I mean 1338.
No. It's in the questions. I pasted it all in the question answer.
Okay.
In the chat room.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes. Right here. Okay.
Yeah. So sudo move user share veil evasion.
Yeah. Okay.
Compile.
I'm taking that back. Mm.
So you want payload1.exe instead of payload.exe. That's your change.
Okay. I'm copying that again. I'm going to put that notepad and payload 1 because that's what it shows there. exe, right? and the handles are the same. Okay, so now I want to copy that.
I am at MSF exploit handler prompts.
He says, is that in, I'm sorry. Is that in Metasploit? That means it's working?
Yep.
Okay. Yep. MS exploit handler.
Okay. Okay, so now you've got MSF console started, and it's pointed to the payload file.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Whoops. Now you've got MSF, and it's pointing to the payload file that you just built, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we already learned about RC files yesterday. So now here's the trick of what we're going to do. Inside of your Windows machine,
Mm-hmm.
inside of your Windows machine, do you have something called WinSCP?
WinSCP. Yes.
So inside of your Windows 7 virtual machine,
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I have it.
okay? So what we want to do is we want to open that up. Okay? So let's go ahead and say new. And then I want you to put in the IP address of your Linux machine. Username strategic sec, password strategic sec.
Okay.
All right, and then say login.
Okay. Extra.
Say yes. Okay, is that working?
Okay, mine is authenticating. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so up here on the left side, I want you to go up and get into the desktop.
Okay.
So you use the up directory. You want to make sure that it gets into users workshop desktop.
Yep.
Okay, did that work?
Worked it.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, now on the right side,
Mm-hmm.
you want to scroll down rather, until you find payload.exe.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure it's the right one created today.
Okay.
Okay, you want to grab that. You want to drag it to your desktop. You see?
Okay, I don't have it.
Well, yours is probably called payload 1.
Okay, let me keep searching here.
I did find it, but it says when I tried to drag it to the desktop, it says Win SCP was not be able to detect folder where you dragged files was dropped.
Yeah, now you need to drag it to the desktop in the application, not to the literal desktop. You drag it to the desktop folder inside of Windows.
Oh, okay. 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 Copy?
Yep.
Mine, I don't see it.
Okay, so that means when you tried to move your folder, move your file, it didn't work. So let's fix that.
Okay.
Okay, are you there? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, it's on the desktop.
Okay, so all right, so Rollin,
Yes.
you said you don't see it in there.
No.
Ah, dog. Okay, so here's what we need to check. Somewhere, when you created payload 1,
Okay.
it didn't get copied into the root directory.
I see. Okay.
Okay? So, if you look at this Shamad commit, excuse me, you see how you were moving it from veil evasion compiled payload 1.exe?
Uh-huh.
You were moving it into the home strategic sec folder.
I see. Okay.
Okay? So what we need to know is, did that work?
I see. Okay. All right. So
you changed the permissions on it so that everyone could see it.
okay. Pleasure. Hey, allergies again?
Huh?
The allergies again?
Yeah, I didn't take any allergy medicine this morning. I should have. I felt good when I woke up, so I didn't do it.
All right. So let me open a terminal on the Puntos machine. All right. So I'm on the Metasploit. Okay, so back.
Yeah, you don't want to be in Metasploit. Open up another terminal.
Okay, I'm opening another terminal. Okay, yes, send me back to the Metasploit folder. Okay, so just
Okay,
CD.
it's a regular command prompt, not Metasploit, right?
Okay, so now I'm back. Yes.
Regular command prompt, not Metasploit, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So type this. Type sudo space mv space /usr.
Okay, got it.
Okay. /share
Okay.
/veil evasion.
Veil evasion. Okay, 1 second. Open that up. Veil evasion.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your tab completion should be fixing this for you. Then
Okay.
/compiled.
Okay.
Okay. Now when you do that compiled and / hit your tab key and what's in there.
Okay, 1 second. Payload.
payload.exe.
Okay, there is payload1.exe and payload.exe.
Okay. So let's move. All right. So payload1.exe is in there.
Yes.
Okay. So then these commands should work.
Okay.
Okay.
So just copy the whole thing.
Yeah. So I'm going to give you these commands.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm pasting it into the question answer section. So just do one line at a time.
Okay, so taking sudo. Okay. Okay, so paste that in there. Enter. Password for a strategic. Cannot access chmod, cannot access home strategic payload1.exe.
Did you put a sudo in front of chmod?
Yes. Sudo chmod 777/home/strategic and /payload.exe1. Could that be that we have to do this user share validation because that's where the file is located?
Yeah, well, so this is moving the file into that directory. Did this command work?
Okay. Okay, no, hang on a second. Well, oh, I'm sorry. I did not copy the first one. No, I did not do it. Hang on a second. My fault. That did not run. Okay. Okay, enter. Okay, I didn't get any message, so that means probably it did work.
Right. So now
Right,
do the chmod, sudo chmod.
Sudo chmod. Okay. Okay, so I think what we worked.
Yep. Now just do you've got your Metasploit, right? You need to exit out of it.
Oh, I don't think I have it open.
Okay, can you double check? Because you don't want any conflicts.
Okay, let me check the Windows machine. Oh yeah, just what, exit?
Yeah, just exit out of Metasploit.
Okay, I exited. I close actually by exit.
Yep.
Okay, all right.
Okay, now you just now you just did the chmod, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay, now you do the next two lines, the CD, the Metasploit, and then the MSF console. Now your MSF console might require you to put a sudo in front of it.
Okay.
You might have to do a sudo right here if it doesn't start.
Click enter. It's starting Metasploit.
Okay, so now what we want to do is we want you to go to your Windows machine. And inside of here, you can do a refresh right here.
Okay.
Okay. Now look to see if you see, in your case, it's going to be payload 1.
Yep, it's there.
It's there? Okay, what you want to do is you want to drag it to this part of WinSCP. Did you get WinSCP set to the desktop?
Yes, and it says copy file payload 1 to local directory.
Yep, that's what you want to do.
Copy. Yep, it's there.
Okay. Now what you want to do is you just want to double-click payload.exe right here on the desktop.
Oh, just I'll click on the payload.
That's it. And then what you should see when you go back to Metasploit is that it opened the interpreter session.
Okay, so I guess wait until Metasploit's loaded. Hang 1 second here. I think it's still going.
Worked for me.
Work for you, Alexander?
Yep.
Awesome.
Interpreter session 1 opened.
That's perfect. That's exactly what I want to see.
Okay, it says cannot find resource script user. Oh, you know what? Because the payload 1, I have to change that. You said payload handler is 1.
Yep.
Okay, I got that one. Okay. So I need to change that to 1. There we go. So can I do it within Metasploit or have to close it again?
Just up arrow and run it.
No, do I close Metasploit? Or should I do the because the MS console is up. The MS.
Oh, the console is up, but it couldn't find the file handler. Yeah, so exit out of Metasploit.
Okay. Exit. Exit. Ah.
Yeah, then up arrow and just add a 1 to it. Add a 1 to the RC file.
Okay. All right. So let me. Yeah, that's what it did. Okay. CD. Okay, starting the console now. Okay, so I got my interpreter handler now. The exploit handler, that's what it's called, right?
Yep.
Okay, so now I double click on Windows.
Yeah. Yep, just double click.
Oh, man, now you see it. Interpreter session 1 open. Yep, that's what it shows. It says, yep, session 1 opened.
All right. So let's take a quick break. And let's come back. So we generated that. The only thing we need to do now is test the payloads against antivirus. So what you need to do is not upload payload.exe to VirusTotal or any place else.
Okay.
What we're going to do is we're going to go back to Veil, and then inside of Veil, we're going to make Veil test the hashes against VirusTotal.
Excellent.
Okay?
Good stuff, Joe.
All right, let's take a quick break.
Okay.
Oh,
Thank you.
getting old.